Number 10 is the law of polarity. Where there is darkness, there is light. Where there is love, there is hate. This law states that everything exists in two in the universe. When it comes to life and making money, we have to remember that stocks rise and fall, businesses open and close, life has successes and failures, and there are profits and losses. If you are familiar with the recording done in business, like bookkeeping or accounting, there is even a debit and credit side of transactions. Buildings and humans have short and tall, wide and narrow streets, or even the concept of simple and complex. The list goes on for this law. The only remaining factor now is how we can incorporate this in our lives and better understand the events and scenes that we will pass through. If you feel like a failure, don't lose hope.